Hi, and welcome back to Designing with Reggie. Let me turn these headphones off. I like to work. I like to work with music, old 80s music. That was my era. So it's kind of fun listening to all those songs I used to listen to when I was a kid, sitting in my bedroom, looking out the window, listening to the music, dancing around my bedroom. It was fun. And occasionally I had friends to come over too, and we'd have, a dance party, sometimes outside, embarrassing ourselves, doing the latest dances. Too funny. But however, I noticed something last Saturday at our Saturday class, and it was pinning. I didn't realize that pinning was a skill, but it is. It's considered a skill. So I noticed a lot of my students, I'm going to come to you. I want to notice a lot of my students doing this. Pinning like that. Now, what's wrong with that? There are several things that's wrong with that. Number one, when you lift the fabric up to pin, it shifts. And you're not pinning where you want to pin. See, the fabric, it shifts. Look at that. Look how much it shifted. That's a lot. That's a whole lot. That's a lot of fabric, believe it or not. So when you're pinning, it is a skill and you have to practice at it. I know. I keep telling you everything, fashion design is fun. And it is fun. It's just that these skills you have to learn to make your life easier and to keep it being fun. So what you do is you take your pen, you slide it into the fabric and the pattern until it rubs against the table. Then you put your finger here, not here, because that's where the pen is. And if you do that, you're going to poke yourself. So hold it just like that and raise the fabric with the pattern up, and then slide it, raise it up, and then I think this pen is bent. It is. Raise it up and slide it through just like that. Do not pick this up. See, it's already shifting. It will shift, so keep your hand stable. Slide it through the pattern paper and the 2 layers of fabrics. Pull it up just a little bit and slide your pen through the other side. And that's how you pin a pattern to the fabric and why it's important not to raise it up. Okay? Happy designing. I hope you learned something. Have a good rest of the week.